kids. Coming to you live. Where in the world is Miss Kane? Okay, see if you can guess where this location is. It's a really cool building downtown. There's a hint for you. Okay, this lesson is more of a talking lesson, so I really wish I had a whiteboard, but this is a little bit more fun. So if I was Mr. Turco, I could probably do some editing with some cool words up here, but I'm not that technically savvy. So we're going to get right into it. So we are on lesson 5. Everybody touch, calm, one touch. The first word is plasma. What word? Yes, plasma. The next word is proteins. What word? Yes, proteins. The next word is stethoscope. What word? Yes, stethoscope. Remember that thing that goes around your neck and the doctor listens to your heartbeat? Okay, touch, calm, 2, touch. The first word is hormones. What word? Yes, hormones. The next word is chemical. What word? Yes, chemical. The last word is platelets. What word? Yes, platelets. Okay, we're going to go over, we have 2 vocabulary words on this lesson. The first word is plasma. What word is it? Get ready? Yes, plasma. Plasma is the liquid part of your blood. And I have a story for this that I will tell you in a second. The next word is liver. What word? Yes, liver. Liver is an organ, okay? It doesn't beat. But what it does some really cool things. It cleans your blood. So when your blood gets some toxins in there, something bad, or a messed up blood cell or something, your liver cleans that out and makes it good again. So be nice to your livers, okay? Okay, so we're going to talk about what the blood is made out of. Okay, so the blood is made out of about 90%. So, okay, hold on. Let me go take it back. There's a liquid part and a solid part. There's a what? Good. A liquid part and a solid part. So taking a closer look, you'll find that the blood is an incredible liquid that flows through your body. To make it flow, so your blood is made up of a bunch of red blood cells, and they wouldn't be able to move through your veins and arteries if it didn't have some kind of liquid with it. And that liquid is plasma. That helps it kind of go. So imagine that you're going down a water slide without any water. You're going to just kind of screech to a halt until you can't go. But if you have water, then you're like, whoosh, you go down the water slide. So your tubes are your blood vessels are kind of like a water slide. They need some liquid to get the stuff moving, okay? So keep that in mind. So the liquid part of your blood is called plasma. What is it called? Get ready? Yes, plasma. Plasma is awesome. Plasma it's kind of a yellowish liquid. So I've donated plasma before, and they do this really cool thing. So you go, you hook up to the blood machines. They take your blood out of one of them. This is kind of gory, so sit down if you get faint. But they take your blood out, okay? And they usually take about a pint, okay? And they put it into a machine, and they spin it around, and they spin out your red blood cells and your plasma, and they take it apart, okay? So then they just have your plasma, and when you get it, it's in this bag, and it looks kind of yellowish. It's kind of like slime, okay? Yellow slime. And so they take that, and plasma is, a lot of people need plasma, so they take that, and then they take your blood that they took apart, and they put it back in the other arm. They put it back into your system. It's crazy. It's awesome. And then your body makes more plasma. Okay, so anyways, plasma's cool. It's the liquid part of your body is what the main thing you need to remember. Okay, so what plasma does, it's that water slide stuff. It helps your blood move through your body. So plasma, it's 90% water. What is it? Get ready? 90% water. Good job. Okay, so plasma, 90% water. It contains solid blood cells, salts, hormones, vitamins, nutrients, and proteins. So when people are saying you need protein, you need to get more nutrients, you need more vitamins, that all goes into your blood. You put it into your tummy sucks it out through your blood, and then it runs through your body, feeding the cells in everywhere. So your brain cells, your toe cells, your ear cells, everywhere, that's what your nutrients are doing. So when they say take your vitamins, it is really important, okay? So plasma makes up over half of the blood that flows through your body. So that's half of your blood, plasma, and then you've got the other half, okay? So there are over half of the blood that flows through your body is plasma. Remember that. Okay, so there are 3 kinds of cells. How many? Get ready? 3 kinds of cells. Good job. Okay, so there are red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Okay, so say that with me. Get ready? Good. Red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Okay, those are your 3 parts of the blood. On your test, it will say, what are the 3 parts of your blood? And you are going to say red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets. Very good. Okay, so the red blood cells, what they do, their job. So I've said this a couple times. The red blood cells, they're kind of like mailmen, mail people, and garbage people at the same time. So they deliver goods and they take trash away. So red blood cells, they carry oxygen to all the cells in your body. Sorry, I'm on a street. White blood cells, so red blood cells, they're carrying the oxygen around. White blood cells, they protect you from infection, okay, which is really needed right now. They protect you from infection. So your white blood cells are super important. They help you to not get sick, okay? Platelets help stop blood from flowing when you get a cut, okay? So when you get cut, your platelets are like the little ambulances. There's a cut, we're going to come and save you, and they start making your scabs that appear, and we'll talk about that in lesson 6, okay? So we've got red blood cells carry oxygen, white blood cells protect you from infection, platelets stop your blood from flowing when you get a cut, and the liver is so important. It cleans the blood by breaking down harmful substances that enter your body. So when you see people that are putting harmful things into their bodies, like McDonald's and cigarettes and alcohol and fatty foods and junk food and Takis, all that kind of stuff, guess what? It all goes through your liver, and your liver has to clean it. And so when you're putting bad stuff in your body, your liver is like, stop doing this to me. I'm wearing out. But when you put fruits and vegetables in your body, it doesn't need to clean that stuff. And that goes into your bloodstream, and your blood is happy, and it takes it to your brain, and then you're smart. Brain food, okay? So, be good to your body. That is our lesson 5. You've got some homework questions, which you will also find on your Google Classroom. So look for that. You didn't have a review this time. Lucky you guys, okay? So, try to guess where I am. Email me if you think. Say, oh, lesson 5, I think you were here. And I will email you a funny message or something, okay? Look for my lesson number 6 next. Okay, see you guys later.